In this video, we will understand how to rearrange services and why do we need it. For an example, I am logged in into a store and creating an order. Here, we are providing 4 different services: shoe dry cleaning, leather polishing, and steam ironing. However, dry cleaning is the main service for which I receive most of the garment. So dry cleaning should be the default or should be the first services here. For someone else, maybe the steam ironing can be the main services. So we need a mechanism by which we can rearrange these services. Same goes for the top-up services. Maybe the alteration is the first one or the most used services, or maybe something else. To rearrange these services and top-up services, you need to log into SuperAdmin. Access this services screen from master menu. Now click on option primary services sequence. Here you can rearrange the services the way you need it on order generation screen. Click on update. It is done. Same process can be followed for top-up services sequence. We can rearrange the services. I am making mending as the first service. Now, if I log in into the store again, and let me just close the booking screen and search for the customer and create an order again. Now, all these services should be rearranged the way I have done it into SuperAdmin. Here I am clicking on Add Garment. Now you can see dry cleaning is the first service, steam ironing is the second service. This is exactly the same which we have created on or configured on SuperAdmin. Same way, the top-up service, mending should be the first one. Here, mending is the first one. This way, you can rearrange the services based on the uses that you have, and it is certainly going to save some of your time. Thank you. I hope it helps.